Yeah, hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I made a raw fish, and there's orca. I got snapper, the pink snapper, red snapper, and I made it. But the kalo, that's saka kalo, I didn't make it myself. I went to the island shop and I got it, so I can do my mukbang. And I got this orca done, chilled in the fridge, and now it's time to dig in and eat it. This was a request by Ellen Tuff. She asked if, she said, can I do, OKA and kalo, and that's what I've done. So thanks for joining me, so might as well get into it. It's quite a big bowl, eh? Well, I'll try and see what I can do with it. I'll try and finish it. And my drink today is young coconut. Yep. I thought I'll buy that today to go with my orca. Excuse me. Just want to get this out of the way. I should have done it before, but... And look at all the little coconuts in it. That's what I like about it. Hang on. And it's really nice, really tasty. Okay, here we go. And I didn't even get a knife. So I didn't get a knife to give me the kalo, to cut the kalo. So I guess I'll just have to eat it like this, eh? Okay, I gotta bring it to me. There you go. Hang on. I'm gonna show you guys. See, yeah, this orca, there's the fish, the tomatoes, the cucumber, and I put in coriander. I thought I'd put in some coriander because I love the flavor of coriander, guys. And some people call it cilantro or whatever. And there's my chopped up onions, finely chopped, and then my kalo. So that's it today, guys. So away I go. I didn't bring a knife to keep the kalo. I think I should go and get it, right? Yep. So here I go. Chop up my kalo and enjoy my orca. What fish do you guys like? I like snapper. I said it before in my other video. So thank you, Alan, for requesting this, because I'm going to enjoy this. See the kalo? These are those little baby ones. But it's really mapo, like, I don't know what mapo is. I know my dad used to say all the time. What does mapo mean? Not firm? Honestly, I don't. Man. I don't want to sound like I don't know. I honestly don't. I left Samoa when I was 6. But, it's good. It's good, especially my mother. She would not allow us to speak English. When we got home from school, when we started knowing how to speak English. Because when you leave the islands, you still know your language, so, so we'd speak it at home, and then we'd go to school, or found out how to speak English, and then go home and try it on the parents, and then they will not allow it, which is good, really, really good for us, because we kept our language, so we can speak Samoan and have a conversation with Samoans. Not like if we were some they just allow their kids to come home and speak English to them. But my mother, she refused. But anyway, we just wanted to show off our knowing how to speak English at the time. Got excited with my brother, my older brother. We started knowing how to speak English, and we go home and we try and, but no, we weren't allowed. So thankfully for our mother, she stopped it at the early stages, so we only speak Samoan at home. And as with me, us kids will speak English ourselves, but to have a conversation with our parents, we weren't allowed to try and speak English with them. They should have allowed us, then they would have learned how to speak English at the same time with us. But it took much longer for them to learn. I put quite a bit of cucumber in it because I love cucumber. The flavour of that coriander. Love coriander. I buy pork rolls. I always ask for extra coriander, please. My onion hanging out. My dad's favourite fish, I remember, always talked about it. Asi. I think that's tuna. I put lemon in here too. I saw on Facebook one time that they say that is about another nationality said that the Samoans they really eat raw fish because they put lemon in it. But not every Samoan put lemon in it. Some people don't want lemon, but I do. So I just do what I like. Because if you don't enjoy your food, because you're listening to other people, do what you want, guys. No one should tell you how to eat. See the raw fish? Snapper. Snapper's the best for me anyway. But my dad's right. Asi is nice too. Got my asi. Look at that, guys. Yum. I was watching some YouTube last night. And I was enjoying this man. He went fishing, and he smoked his kawa. This man in New Zealand. And he likes to hunt. To get his meat. for their kai. Oh, so nice. I made a bigger bowl, but this is just for my mukbang. When my daughter said, "Mum, can you give me some so when I get home from work, she's gonna enjoy it." I said, "Yeah, okay." But if this tastes too good, I have to go and get some more. Oh, that's very good. I didn't give me a lot because I thought I probably won't be able to finish it, but look at it. It's going down. You know, when the food was done, my dad used to say, "Yeah, it's pura muku." Poor dad. My dad passed away, but he's still around in my heart. He's a good man, my father. He'll wake up early, get dressed. You know, he'll wake up early and have his shower. You could always smell his cologne, and it was Brut. It's called Brut, this green bottle. My dad always liked to be clean and tidy looking. And he'll fuss over it if we ain't, you know, if we don't look good, don't come out here. But I tell you what, his siblings are all like that with their kids. So it should be. That's how you can tell a caring father, caring mother, you know, they want you to do the best. So okay. You know, when you get that one extra bone that, you know, that it doesn't want to get off when you're cleaning it, and then you find it when you're eating. But, oh, I remember, even though I left Samoa when I was 6, I can remember the incident. We were, like we had fish soup for our dinner, and I choked on one. Look, it got lodged here, and my poor mum and dad, one was on this side, one was on the other. Drink, gully. Well, telling me to do all this, and I'm feeling, I'll just reach in there and get it out, it's sore. Eventually it went down, because I drank a lot of water. And then after that, I got told off. Look at that. Cucumber, onion, raw fish, bit of tomato on the end, and a bit of coconut cream. Ooh la la. This is good, guys. You're probably watching thinking, what's up, mate? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sorry for teasing. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. You know, I'd like to say a big thank you to Alan Tuff for asking me to make this. Oh, man, this is so nice. I haven't had breakfast. I took my mum and my sister out. I got them breakfast. And then my sister said, oh, aren't you hungry? What are you going to get for you? And I said, no. And she said, you're not hungry? So I said, no, I'm going to do a video. She goes, video? I go, yeah. I've got to eat on my video. She goes, what? I haven't told my family. Oh, only my kids. Only they know about it. Well, how can I help it? I can't even hide it from them. They see everything. They know everything. Yeah. Because they tease me. Even though I laugh along with them, but sometimes don't tease me. It's alright. My kids, they love me. So, no teasing their mama. You know what they say, I'm the Bible, Holy Bible? Honor your mother and your father. And that's what I try and do. You know, as a teenager, had no ears. My ears, the batteries were always like flat. The batteries were working. My poor parents would tell me stuff, and it being a know-it-all teenager, I would do things my way. I've always been like that. I did things my way. Only because I thought, I've got my own brain. Nah, don't be cheeky. But I was a hard-case child. My siblings can vouch for that. But hey, I did have another sibling. You know who you are out there, my sis. But we're good girls now. We put our parents before everyone. And that's how it should be. And your kids. And always remember, love God. Love, praise God. Thank God for everything. I always tell my kids that. You know, be thankful for God. Without Him, we are nothing. Look at this, guys. Naira iba uma. I didn't think I was gonna finish it. Wait, yep. Make this, guys. Raw fresh cucumber, onion, lemon, coconut cream, bit of salt. I put black pepper in there, and you know what I did? I shook a bit of garlic powder. You know, I thought, but do it. It makes flavour. And you know, flavour's good. Anyway, guys, I appreciate that you come and watch my channel. I still got 2 more. I appreciate you stopping by to watch my channel. I still have 2 more galos and this juice. Excuse me. I couldn't help myself. Okay. Thanks, guys. Take care. Please like, subscribe, and you're welcome to share it. Share my video. And if I see someone that subscribe, I will subscribe back, because that's all about support. Supporting one another out there on your videos. And most of all, you take care and be awesome. Stay awesome, be awesome. And thank you. Ko whāsui fua. Did you hear that? Okay, that was thunder, guys. Okay, I better go. Okay, I better go now. See ya. Bye.